Dear friends, the talk today will send us back to the origins of the creativism model. We will discuss the mission of man programmed by nature. Actual scientific knowledge explains that the universe is governed by four fundamental interactions: gravitational, electromagnetic, strong nuclear, weak nuclear, that the universe was created about 13.8 billion years ago, and it follows the Big Bang theory. To date, we have no signs of interaction of our universe with other universes or with external forces. So we can say, within the limits of interval of space and time accessible to us today, that our universe behaves like a closed, isolated system. For such a system, in physics is applicable the second law of thermodynamics, and therefore the entropy of the universe cannot decrease. In other words, if life has appeared at one point at the universe, it should spread through the universe or disappear. Our existence is a proof that life has not disappeared. Meteorites contain biological molecules, precursors of life, and they can spread it through the universe. If we suppose that one day we will discover external forces, in this case, within the limits of space and time available today, the universe will remain a quasi-isolated system, and this law will remain applicable within these limits. It is very probable that life existed on other planets before it appeared on the Earth. The most plausible scientific hypothesis of the appearance of life on Earth is the cosmic origin, panspermia. There is sufficient proof that life precursor molecules, amino acids, DNA, RNA, have been transferred to the Earth by the meteorite. These molecules are synthesized somewhere in the universe. Some super-resistant cells or microorganisms, like extremophiles, or even some microanimals like tardigrade, according to some scientific speculations, may have space origin as well. Following this law of physics, nature spreads life naturally through trial and error method. This method has low efficiency. Meteorite containing biological molecules, the precursors of life, must land on a planet with favorable conditions and develop there. It's a very rare event. Any more effective and targeted approach to accelerate the implementation of this law would be favored. Therefore, nature created man and entrusted us with a mission: to accelerate the spread of life and intelligence through the universe in order to make the process more efficient. We must live up with this challenge to innovate, to advance, to protect ourselves or to die, as was the case with dinosaurs. We have no other choice. How can you contribute to accomplish this mission? First, to develop faster space travel technologies and more targeted at life-friendly planets. Current knowledge and technology impose a speed limit on spacecraft of about 0.1% of the speed of light. To go to the nearest star with this speed, we will need 4,350 years. This is a major obstacle to the space conquest of the universe. Second, this obstacle can be circumvented if we develop life-enhancing technologies to make ourselves immortal. Nature has incorporated this in our subconscious mind, and it pushes us to do it. It's not by chance that we always wish ourselves good health and long life. Biological immortality is well known in science. Organisms alternating indefinitely cycles of rejuvenation and aging. In addition, some organisms have been resuscitated after several million years, or various organisms on Earth or at sea are able to live for thousands of years. Scientists are optimistic today that regeneration, rejuvenation and prolongation of human life is possible, but we do not yet know all the mechanisms and we have not yet developed adequate technologies. Third, to find planets that are good for life. Is that so important? The time and energy spent on this task can be prohibitive. It would be more reasonable to develop planetary vitalization technologies, to transform them and make them accessible to life, or to create technologies for adapting life to extreme conditions. 4. Man should also secure his existence by investing in life defense and planet defense technologies. We can accomplish this mission only if we strengthen our capacity to create and apply innovations. Today, all studies show that the success rate of generation and application of innovation is very low. In 2015, 10,000 individuals generated just one patent in that whole year. That's other question, what is the value of this patent? If one person generated this patent, what did the other do? All this means that the current organization of society is not up to the requirement of nature. We will have to reorganize our society to stimulate creativity, innovation and thinking, as well as to increase the intelligence level of man. So nature has entrusted us with a mission: to defend life, to accelerate the propagation of life and intelligence in the universe. Is this the only mission of man? Certainly not. However, this mission requires us to increase our level of intelligence and to create a new organization of society that stimulates creativity and innovation. The model of creativism implements the foundation of this new brain civilization, which will succeed capitalism and socialism. For more details, I invite you to consult the books on creativism and to subscribe to the channel. The title of the next lesson is "Why is Creativism Inevitable?"